Welcome students. Today we will discuss exercise 6.3 of our NCERT book and chapter you know it very well, that is square and square root. So in this exercise we will discuss different methods. Two methods are there in this exercise. So we will discuss those for finding the square root. So first one is repeated subtraction method. Okay, method is repeated subtraction method for finding the square root. So we will discuss it. For example, we are having a number that is 169 and we have to find out its square root by repeated subtraction method. So finding square root by repeated subtraction method, we will subtract the odd number from 1. Okay, we will continue subtracting that odd number and find the answer till 0. So just see how to find it out. First of all, we will subtract 1. So when we subtract 1, the result we are getting is 168. Then after 1, but you will subtract 3 and but we are getting 165. Then after it, we will subtract after 3 what the number is 5 and we are getting yes. Then we will subtract 7 and the result we are getting is it is 153. Then we will subtract from 153, we will subtract 9 and find out what the result we will get. The result we will get it as, so we will get 144. Then we will subtract after 9 it is 11, we will get 133. Then what you will subtract 13 and we will get 120. Then you will subtract 15 and what we will get 105. Then we will subtract 17 and just check what we will get 8 and 8, 88. Now we will subtract 19 and we will get 19 and 716, 69. Then we will subtract unless and until we are not getting 0. Okay, continuously we will subtract. So here we are getting 48. Then 48 minus after 21 it is 23, we'll get 25. Then after 23 it is 25 and we are getting 0. Now once we get the 0, we will check the number of terms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. At 13th step we are getting 0. So square root of 169 is 13 because we are taking 13 steps for finding its square root. So it is repeated subtraction method. Okay. So next method we will discuss, it is prime factorization method. So just see prime factorization method. For example, we are having number 1764. For finding out by prime factorization method, we will find the factors, prime factors of the given number. Okay, so we will use the prime number only. So just see what the factors are. Even number we will start from 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 12. Now we will check from 3, it is by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Then 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27. Then 7 7s are 49 and again it is 7 1s are 7. So just see what the factors are. For 1764, factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So what we will do, we will just check if the pairs are there. Yes, pairs are there. So what is the square root? From one pair we will take one number. So square root is 3 to the 6 into 7 and it is 42. So square root for 1764, it is 42. So it is the prime factorization method. We have to find out the prime factors and then we have to find out by making the pair its square root. Okay. So now we will discuss the next question, that is question number 5 of our exercise 6.3. Just see what the question is saying. Yes, now see the next question, that is what is the smallest number that needs to be multiplied to get the perfect square. So whenever we are having the number, we have to find out least number to be multiply or divide. In that case, we will find out the square root by same prime factorization method. Whenever we are having the question what to be multiply or what to be divide. So let's see one of the question. For example, we are having the question 1008. Now the question is here, what needs to be multiplied? So first of all, we will find out its factor. So just check it. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3, 2 7s are 21 and just see here what we are having, that is 7 1s are 7. So now see its factor. Factor देखिए आप इसके factor आपके पास क्या है 1008 के 2 into just see how many times 2, 4 times 2 into 2 into 2. Now 3 2 times and 1 time it is 7. So now 1 pair we are having, 2 pair we are having, 3 pair we are having. But for 7 we are not having the pair. So what is the least number that to be multiplied? For making the pair, what is the least number? That is 7 only. So what needs to be multiplied? 7 needs to be multiplied. अगर हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये नंबर आपका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाएगा, बिकॉज 7 का भी पेयर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. अब इसके पास आपका क्वेश्चन है ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द नंबर सो ऑब्टेन. उस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट भी फाइंड आउट करिए. अगर आपसे कहा जाए कि वो नंबर भी फाइंड आउट करिए तो आप इस नंबर को 2 नीड्स टू बी मल्टीप्लाई से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, दैट इज दैट नंबर. बट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट square root of the square number so obtain. So for this, whatever the pair you are getting, you multiply those. 2 what you multiply? You multiply 2 and 3 and 7 also, because 7 का भी हमने पेयर कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and here we are having 7 3s are 21. So when you multiply it, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 84 is the square root of that perfect square number that is obtained by multiplying that number by 7. Okay, so this is what is the smallest number that needs to be multiplied. Now next question, question number 6 is what needs to be divided. क्या divide, किससे divide करेंगे? Okay, just see that one also. Now next question is what is the smallest number that needs to be divided. So for divide also we will find out by prime factorization. So just see what the factors are. अब इसके हम prime factors find out कर लेंगे. So we will check from 5 5s are 25, then 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Then check it, ये अब आपका किस नंबर से डिवाइड होगा. ओके, सो चेक 529 किससे आपका डिवाइड होता है? From 7. No, I have checked. No, then so 9 is there, so it may be some 3 13 का नहीं है, so we will check from 23. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 9 2 and 5. So yes, it is the square of 23. So we are getting 23, and 23 ones are 23. So what the factors we are getting for this number? We are getting the factors as 5 into 23 into 23. So इसका तो आपका पेयर बन गया, लेकिन ये नहीं है. ओके, सो जो अनपेयर है तो डिवाइड बाय, इट्स नीड्स टू बी डिवाइड बाय 5. And what is the square root for the square number so obtained? Square root for that particular number is whatever the pair we are having, that is 23. अब दोनों क्वेश्चन आपके सेम है, what needs to be multiply and what needs to be divide, दोनों आपके सेम है. ठीक है, डिफरेंस क्या है? what needs to be multiply यानी जिसका पेयर नहीं बन रहा है आप उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, और डिवाइड में क्या है? what needs to be divide यानी जिसका पेयर नहीं बन रहा है आप उससे डिवाइड कर दीजिए. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन तो सेम है, स्टेप सेम है, बट पेयर जिसका नहीं बन रहा है. अब बहुत सारी कंडीशन में क्या हो सकता है, आपका एक से ज़्यादा नंबर भी आ सकते हैं कि जिसका पेयर आपका ना बन रहा हो. ठीक है, हम एक क्वेश्चन और इसमें चेक कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज आवर नंबर, जस्ट सी द फैक्टर, check the factors. Okay, so now 4, 5, 9, so it is divisible by 3. now check अब ये किससे डिवाइड होगा? अगेन 3. now फिर 3 से 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15, then 3 5 is 15, then 5 1 is 5. so what the factors are? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. तो आपके पास पेयर सबके बन रहे हैं, बट एक्स्ट्रा कौन है? 5. तो व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डिवाइड, किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? 5 नीड्स टू बी डिवाइड. डिफरेंस देखिए, मैं दोनों में डिफरेंस आपको बता रही हूँ. 5 नीड्स टू बी डिवाइड, और मल्टीप्लाई का क्वेश्चन होगा 5 नीड्स टू बी मल्टीप्लाई. अब डिफरेंस कहा जाता है व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द नंबर सो ऑब्टेन. अगर डिवाइड का स्क्वायर रूट पूछा है तो 2 into 3 into 3, सो 3 3 is 9, 18. और अगर आपसे पूछा है आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई, सो 5 नीड्स टू बी मल्टीप्लाई, 5 से ही आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एंड व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द नंबर सो ऑब्टेन? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 5 भी आपका उसमें इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, सो दैट इज 90. यहाँ पे आपका डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. ठीक है, चाहे आपके पास स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर टू बी डिवाइड हो, चाहे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर टू बी मल्टीप्लाई हो, डिफरेंस बस आपका इतना आएगा. डिवाइड किससे होगा? 5 से जो एक्स्ट्रा है. मल्टीप्लाई किससे होगा? 5 जो एक्स्ट्रा है. बट डिफरेंस सिर्फ आपका स्क्वायर रूट पे आएगा. डिवाइड में वो एक्स्ट्रा इंक्लूड नहीं होगा, मल्टीप्लाई में वो एक्स्ट्रा इंक्लूड होगा. ओके, थैंक यू.